Imagine a world where machines can diagnose diseases, write poetry, or even predict the future. Sound like science fiction? Well, it's not. This is the reality of artificial intelligence, machines learning, adapting, and evolving like never before. But how do they do it? How do algorithms transform into intelligence that can outperform humans in some tasks? Welcome to Andtops19. Today, we're decoding the science of AI, how machines learn. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the magic behind AI, but also realize why it's shaping the future of our world, and maybe even threatening it. And before you ask, no, this isn't Skynet, yet. But hold on to your seat. It gets wild from here. Let's break it down. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a machine's ability to mimic human intelligence, thinking, reasoning, and decision-making. But here's the twist. AI relies on machine learning. Unlike traditional programming, where we explicitly tell computers what to do, machine learning lets them learn on their own. Think of it like teaching a kid to ride a bike. They learn by trial, error, and experience. Except, unlike your kid, these machines don't complain or need snacks every 5 minutes. Okay, first up, supervised learning. It's like a teacher-student scenario. You feed the machine labeled data, questions with answers, and it learns to predict outcomes. Show it thousands of photos of cats and dogs, and it'll start identifying them. Pretty simple, right? But what happens when there's no teacher? When machines have to learn all by themselves? That's where things get chaotic. Stay with me. In unsupervised learning, there are no answers. Machines are thrown into a sea of data and told to find patterns. It's like giving a toddler a pile of Lego bricks and asking them to figure out how to build something. Sometimes they discover something incredible. Other times, well, let's just say chaos is part of the process. Kind of like my attempts at cooking. Sometimes genius, sometimes a fire hazard. Next comes reinforcement learning. Machines learn by trial and error, like playing a video game. Each time they score, they're rewarded. Fail and they adjust. This is how AI systems like AlphaGo defeated the world's best Go players, or how robots are learning to walk without falling over every 5 seconds. But what if these machines started learning things we didn't teach them? What if they start making decisions beyond our control? Let's dig deeper. Here's where the magic happens. Neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, these are layers of interconnected nodes where information flows, processes, and evolves. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses these networks to recognize faces, drive cars, or even generate human-like art. Yes, the same AI that can write symphonies also powers your Netflix recommendations. Talk about priorities. So, where does all this lead? AI is already reshaping industries, healthcare, education, and transportation. It's predicting diseases, optimizing traffic, and even helping us explore space. The possibilities are endless. But here's the big question: can we control it? As AI becomes smarter, the line between machine and mind blurs. Some experts warn about its potential to disrupt jobs, privacy, and even ethical boundaries. Are we ready for this revolution? And the most urgent question of all, how will you adapt to this rapidly changing world? If this sparked your curiosity, you'll love my next video. How does 5G technology work? It's waiting for you at the end screen. Dive into the tech that's connecting the world faster than ever before. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Andtops19 for more fascinating explorations of science and technology. Like this video, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments. What excites or terrifies you most about AI? Let's keep learning, questioning, and building the future together.